Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. Today we will discuss exercise 13.2, room number 1, 2 and 4 questions we are going to discuss today. Let's get into the question number 1. So here we have question number 1. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. See, here you can see the diagram. Shape of a cone standing on hemisphere. This is the solid, and with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter, means both radius it's given equal to 1 centimeter only. So let's take your cone radius r is equal to 1 centimeter and hemisphere radius also 1 centimeter only. Radius also 1 centimeter because it's given here in the question. Both the radius equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to the radius. So height of cone is equal to the radius, they said. So height of cone also is 1 centimeter only. So this is the given data, and what we have to find out here, see, find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. In terms of pi means we should not apply that pi value. Whatever answer comes, we have to leave it with the pi only. Okay, so we have to calculate volume of solid. Let's apply the formula. Volume of solid equal to, there are two shapes. One is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, we know that formula. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so these are the volume formulas. Now let's apply 1 by 3. Don't apply pi value because answer it should be in terms of pi only. Let it be that pi. And r radius of the cone is 1, so 1 square into h height is also 1 plus 2 by 3 into pi into 1 radius of hemisphere also 1 only, so 1 cube. Now 1 into pi you will get pi by 3 into 1 square value 1 only plus 2 by 3 into pi 1 cube value 1. Now pi by 3 plus 2 into pi into 1 you will get 2 pi by 3. Now see, it's a like fraction. Take the common denominator and add the numerators. Then you will get pi plus 2 pi, you will get 3 pi. 3 pi by 3 pi and 3 and 3 cancel, remaining pi. So they said in terms of pi only, so we got pi, which means the answer is 22 by 7 centimeter cube only volume of this solid. Okay, hope that you understand this. Let's move to the question number 2. Here we have the question number 2. Raquel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder. This is the cylinder part with two cones attached at its two ends. Okay, one cylinder and two cones attached with each ends. And the diameter of the model is 3 centimeters. See, this is the diameter from here to here when you take. So diameter D is equal to 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. Length means the total only it's given. Okay, so total is 12 centimeter because it's mentioned that the length of the model only, they said 12 centimeters. Here in the diameter model is 3 and it is length. Length means this model length only 12 centimeter. Next, if each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, so height of a cone is 2 centimeter each. This is 2 centimeter and here also it will be 2 centimeter only height. Then if you want to calculate this height of the cylinder from here to here, you see, from here 2 centimeter, here 2 centimeter, if you subtract, then you will get height of the cylinder h is equal to 2 if you minus, you will get 8. So this is the cylinder height. Okay, now let's take the given data here. Solution. One is a cone, the other one is cylinder. In cone and cylinder radius is common only, so radius is not given. Actually the diameter D is given. Diameter D equal to how much? 3 centimeter. then the radius will be 3 by 2 centimeter. Okay, and cylindrical part, we know radius is common, same 3 by 2 only, and height of the cylinder here we have 8, because total length is 12. From that the height of the cones, both the sides, if you subtract only the height of the cylinder, you will get h is equal to 8. Now what we have to calculate, you see, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rakel made. So we have to calculate the volume. So let's apply the volume formulas then. So volume of model equal to, see, first we can take volume of cylinder plus how many cones are there, left side one, right side one, so 2 cones, then 2 into volume of cones, or you can apply volume of cone 2 times also fine. Okay, now let's use the formula. Volume of cylinder formula we know, pi r square h plus 2 into volume of cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now let's apply all the values. Pi value don't apply here, we will apply at the last. Okay, so pi, what is the radius here? See, radius of cylinder part we have here 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, because r square is it, that's why we are taking 2 times, and h we have here 8 plus 2 ones are 2 by 3, let it be pi, into r radius same 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, and h height, this h is height of the cone, so height of the cone h is equal to, is given in the question, 2 centimeter. Okay, let's simplify now. 2 ones are 2 fours are, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so remaining we have here pi into 3 into 3 into 2 plus, here we have 2 by 3, sorry 3 also you can cancel here, let's cancel that 3, then 2 and 2 also can cancel, and this 2 also cancel, so remaining we have here 3 into pi. Okay, now multiply this, pi let it be here, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, means you will get 18 pi plus 3 into pi, here you will get 3 pi. Now 18 pi plus 3 pi, you will get 21 pi. Since we know the value of pi is 22 by 7, now cancel 7 ones are 7 3s are, so remaining 3 into 22, if you multiply you will get 66. So therefore volume of model equal to 66 centimeter cube. Hope that you understand this. Let's move to the question number 3. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. Okay, so we have your question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. So one gulab jamun, and the gulab jamun shape also it's given like this only, one cylinder and both sides hemisphere shape. So this is the gulab jamun diagram, and they said in the question a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. In that volume 30% is that sugar syrup. Okay, then find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with 2 hemispherical ends. So this is the gulab jamun, right? We have to calculate in 45 gulab jamuns how much percent, means how much syrup it will be there. One gulab jamun 30% syrup means 45 gulab jamun how much syrup will be there. Okay, first let us calculate 45 gulab jamun volume. In that volume 30% we can take it easily. Okay, so let's take the given data first here. Hemispherical lens with a length 5 centimeter and the diameter is 2.8. Okay, now let's apply. Diameter D is given here. How much? 2.8 centimeter. Let's take the radius. If you want radius, 2.8 by 2, if you divide, you will get our radius equal to 1.4 centimeter. Okay, now length of each spherical part, it will be 1.4 only. because in hemisphere when you take height of the hemisphere is equal to the radius of the hemisphere, because we have to calculate the height of the cylinder here. Total length is given how much here? 5 centimeter. Both the side the height of the hemisphere, if you subtract, you will get the height of the cylinder. Okay, then height of cylinder equal to, total we have 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4, both the sides, that radius only the height of the sphere, if you subtract you will get the height of the cylindrical part. Okay, so 5 minus 2.8, if you subtract you will get 2.2 centimeter is the height of the cylindrical part. Now let's find out first volume of 45 gulab jamuns, then we can calculate the syrup. So to find out that, let's use the volume of volume of gulab jamuns. Let's find out one gulab jamun first. Volume of one gulab jamun equal to, in one gulab jamun there are three shapes, two hemispheres, one cylinder. Therefore volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemisphere, right? So volume of cylinder formula we know, pi r square h, 2 into volume of hemisphere formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. Let's simplify. Pi r square h plus 2 to the 4 by 3 pi r cube. Let's apply the given value, given values now, then see what we will get. Let's take from this the pi value common outside to simplify, to become the simplification easy. Pi you can take common outside, and r radius also same for both, so r square also you take common outside, remaining it will be your h plus 4 by 3 pi, already we took, 1 r will be there. Okay, now pi value 22 by 7 into r radius we have there 1.4 square into h 2.2 plus 4.3 into, or we have 1.4, right? Now let's simplify further. 22 by 7 into 1.96 square, if you do, means multiply 2 times, you will get it. Next your 2.2 plus multiply this, you will get 16, and 4 4s are 16, 1 remainder, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, so 5.6 by 3. So finally you do cross multiplication and finally multiply with this. After simplifying this, here you will get final answer 25.05 centimeter cube is the volume of one gulab jamun. Okay, so volume of one gulab jamun, since you know this simplification, so that only I am not explaining here. You simplify, you will get this answer. This is the volume of one gulab jamun. Actually how many gulab jamuns are there here? 45. Then 45 gulab jamuns volume, let's find out. Then 45 gulab jamun volume equal to 45 into volume of one gulab jamun. Since we know volume of one gulab jamun, answer is 25.05. So if you multiply, you will get the volume of 45 gulab jamuns. If you multiply this, you will get 1127.25 centimeter cube. This is the volume of 45 gulab jamun. Now actually we have to calculate how much syrup it is there. So it's given in the question, each gulab jamun 30% of its volume. Okay, in that volume 30% is containing that syrup. Then from this 30%, how much you see? Then 30% of all volume, all how much? 45 gulab jamun volume, right? Then 30% of 45 gulab jamun volume, here we have 1127.25. so 30% of this only that required answer. 30% value we know 1 by 100 into 1127.25. so simplify this, you will get it. For this 20 directly keep the point here, and remaining you multiply. If you multiply, you will get approximate answer only 338.17 centimeter cube is the required answer. Hope that you understand. If any doubt with the simplifications, let me know, I will explain again. Okay, let's move to the question number 4. So here we have the question number 4. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid. Okay, a pen stand is made with a cuboid with 4 conical depressions. So these are the 4 conical depressions to hold the pen, to keep the pen. Okay, the dimensions of the cuboid is given. Dimensions means length, breadth and height. So let's take that. In cuboid, dimensions is given: length 15 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter, height 3.5 centimeter, and we have conical depressions. The radius of each the depressions is 0.5. Depressions means here we have cone only, so or radius of the cone you have 0.5 centimeter. And depth means nothing but, see, when you take like a conical part here, depth means here it will become the height. So height is equal to how much? 1.4 centimeter. Then find the volume of the entire stand. So the remaining volume you have to find out from the cuboid. That 4 conical depressions they dig and they cut out. So remaining volume only we have to calculate. Then how to find out? You see here. So remaining volume equal to, from the cuboid, volume of cuboid minus 4 volume of conical depression. So 4 into volume of cone. If you subtract from the cuboid means the total wood. From that 4 conical part they have taken out. So that only we have to minus. So volume of cuboid formula L into B into H minus 4 into volume of cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square H. So L how much? 15, breadth 10, height 3.5 minus, multiply this 4 by 3, pi value 22 by 7 into R radius 0.5 square into H 1.4. So simplify, then you will get, if you multiply all these 3, you will get 525 minus, you can cancel this 7 1s are 7 2s are 14.2, and if any other things are able to cancel, you can cancel, otherwise just simplify, then you will get the final answer would be 1.47 approximate answers. Okay, so if you subtract this 2, you will get 523.53 centimeter cube is the volume of wood. So volume of entire stand equal to 523.53 centimeter cube. Hope that you understand. If any doubt with the simplifications, you can ask me, means you can put it in the comment section, because I cannot explain here, it takes little time. So thank you so much for watching. We will see in the next video remaining questions. Thank you.